Alright guys, this is the place where I'm gonna fly the drone today. So welcome to my channel. I just found out this place and this is where I'm gonna go fly my drone today. This little place here that you have to walk on, it takes you straight to the beach. So I have to be careful with my steps. The things you do, the things you do to fly a drone in a new place, right? Crazy. I like to explore new places that I've never been to, and this is one of them. Nice, right? Yeah, that's what it is. Crazy, right? And then take me straight back here. Wow. Wow, wow. Crazy, right? Wow, I've never been here before. I like this. Crazy, guys, huh? The things you find, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna fly the drone here today, so stay tuned now. Gorgeous place, man. Beautiful place. I love it. Wow. Gorgeous. I love this place. This place is beautiful, man. I'm gonna have to load the drone a little bit because it's telling me the strong wind that I have. So let's go around here.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Alright, so let's see. I didn't want to go that far, to be honest here. I'm still a little bit afraid to fly that far away from the, you know what I'm saying, like. Wow, beautiful, right? So I'm gonna change my exposure again. And I'm gonna do a 360 degree to see how this place look. Beautiful location, man. Wow. I really love this place. Beautiful. So I'm gonna put the camera down to see what I have here. Wow, that's nice. Gorgeous. I like that. So let's fly like this. A little bit. So I'm doing a 360 degree here. I want to know what I have around me, guys. Every time you fly, try to see if you can do like a 360 degree just to know if anything is, I mean, 150 feet, I don't think nothing is higher than that, nothing is high like that, but just in case, man, it could be like a boat that could be like up to 70-80 feet away, and then you fly so close to a boat, and trust me, you don't want to crash your Mavic Mini. So I suggest to just do a 360 degree around a little bit, just to make sure everything is fine. You don't want to crash your Mavic Mini or any type of drone. This is gorgeous, man. Today's Father's Day. I wish I could have my dad with me. My dad is in heaven, but just chilling here a little bit, man. Still have enough battery. Gorgeous, right? lift it a little bit like that.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Alright, good. Beautiful place.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Alright, so I have to put it down a little bit.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
That boat coming, right? That's a boat coming right there. Nice. It's a beautiful boat right there. I'm gonna do some chasing on that boat. I wanna follow that boat. I don't know if it's gonna tell me. That's a boat right there. Beautiful, right? Alright, so I think I'm gonna bring it back already.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
So far the signal is good. I mean, the other days the phone turned off on me. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna load the drone because it's good when you return home. It's good that you load the drone a little bit. You wanna have a successful come back. So the drone is coming back to me already. It's telling me to load the drone a little bit. So I'm gonna lift it up just in case. This is where I am. The mosquitoes here that biting me are annoying, bro. Let me get out of these trees. There you go. closer to me. I can hear already. He's already here. Wow. I'm exploring this place to see how this place look. Beautiful place. Gorgeous, right?